Yep, that's right. If you have one of these Xiaomi phones, such as the 13T here, you can use your fingerprint and check your BPM. Here's where you can go to find it and, well, let's get started. The fastest way to this feature is by tapping on the settings here. That'll take you to the main settings. You can always use the search settings and type in the words heart rate, and you'll find it like this here as a suggestion. Once you tap on it one time, it'll take you exactly where you need to go next. And again, not every Xiaomi phone will have this feature, so this is the 13T with the latest Android 14 HyperOS update. Now, once you have this all ready to go and you're in this part here, you'll see the fingerprint scanner right there. Go ahead and place your finger here like that and just hold it down until you're able to get a reading. It's not going to be as accurate as one would want it to be, and you're better off doing this with your left hand, as that's where you would most likely feel that pulse in your left hand, okay? So it says your finger move, start over. So make sure you have it placed correctly as you would use your fingerprint. And you want to wait until the seconds count down. And you can see it's 91, and then it's 83, and then 81. And then 114. And that's because I just took something that makes me go super excited. Don't take it, okay? By the way, if this guide helped you guys out in any way, please do hit that like. Also comment, just say something, anything, so that YouTube could see that this is an actual YouTuber and an actual video and people are actually watching it. Like and sub.